Despite the looming possibility of postponing the December 2025 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, election lawyer Romulo Macalintal believes that President Bongbong Marcos will not sign the bill into law. Here is the report. Talks of the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections postponement have been circulating for the last few months after a bill was filed by the Congress aiming to extend the terms of barangay and SK officials. Despite this, election lawyer Romulo Macalintal says this might go in a different direction under PBBM's administration. This year's BSKE was set to be held on December, but the bill proposes the elections be conducted on November 2026. Macalintal pointed out that moving the elections to the first Monday of November 2026 would fall on an All Souls Day, an occasion held sacred by many Filipinos. He stressed that the measure would not only delay the electoral process, but also effectively extend the terms of incumbent officials without a renewed mandate from the people. Macalintal also warns that the bill contains multiple provisions, including the resetting of SK and barangay terms, the extension of incumbent officials' tenure, and the postponement of the scheduled elections, all of which may violate the Constitution's one subject, one title rule. He emphasized that any such act infringes on the people's right to vote, calling it a form of legislative appointment that undermines democratic process. The Commission on Elections earlier confirmed they have received information that PBBM will sign the bill on August 12. COMELEC Chairman George Garcia says that despite the uncertainty surrounding the bill, voter registration and election preparations will proceed as planned.
Siyempre yung primary initiative natin, lalo-lalo na sa paghahanda sa barangay and SK elections, itong registration of voters natin. Sa buong Pilipinas po natin ito ginagawa dahil nga sa hindi pa naman po maliwanag na talagang marireset ang barangay and SK elections. And so, kinakailangan magparehistro tayo, lalo na yung mga kabataan na 15 to 17 years old.
Garcia says this ensures the readiness of the electoral process should the Supreme Court issue a temporary restraining order. Joash Malimban, Billionaire News Channel.